Hey, how's it going? Dillon King with Home Buyer Louisiana, and today I'm inspecting a property in Waggaman, Louisiana. Homeowner is currently actually doing some renovations to it, but for whatever reason, I don't know if they just don't want to see it all the way through, but there are actually even workers here as I'm inspecting it. I can tell it definitely, I'm assuming from like tenants, has some kind of DIY like paint jobs. Not all of the outlets have power going to them. I can tell some of the decor is like outdated. We've got damage on the floors, things like that. The exterior of the home is great, and like I said, there's construction currently going on. I am here running into the crews that the homeowner has here on site, but they went to homebuyerlouisiana.com, let my team know, hey, I have this property, I just don't want to take care of it anymore, whatever the reason may be, whatever your reason may be. But if you have a property that for whatever reason you don't think is going to sell with an agent, it's causing you stress, whatever, go to homebuyerlouisiana.com, tell us about it. We are going to actually buy this house as fast as we can with cash and as is. So the construction doesn't even need to be finished. It does not need to be in pristine condition for us to take it. We are going to buy this property as quickly as we can from this homeowner in the condition it is on the day we close. So go to homebuyerlouisiana.com.